opinion poll for Friday, October the 17th, 2008. Today's question is about Joe the Plumber from the other night's debate. In a video on lshoes.com YouTube channel, this post, Joe the Plumber states in the video that he is not a GOP plant, and they claim that he is a liar. On another website, McClatchydc.com, it shows that he used to live in Alaska and also questions whether Joe the Plumber was a plant. So today's question is, do you think that Joe the Plumber was planted by the GOP? Let us know what you think. Comment on the YouTube channel and subscribe. Have a great day.